Item number 6, Lordship. May I kindly pass over this matter for the day, Lordship. 6.
Excellent. Okay.
So please.
My lord, item number 5. On some other day may be taken up, my lord. 5. Bless you.
Maybe then. I'd like to mention for listing on the petition, my lord. It was listed on last 17, but due to period of time, not this week. Next week, my lord, any date. Monday, 26th. 26th. Much appreciated.
Thank you, Lordship. Lordship, contested matter. My lord, impugn order is at page 77.
Take your seat.
Lord.
Where is the illegality in this opinion?
My lord, in the 1965 voter list, my lord, he has exhibited, wherein his father's name appeared. My lord, in the 2005 voter list, my lord, his name along with his father's name appeared, my lord. Moreover, my lord, the Gaubura issued two certificates of two different Gaubura. There is a shifting, my lord. And the Gaubura also reposed, my lord.
What is the basis of the statement of the Gawara on records? Contemporaneous records was produced before the tribunal? Or simply oral statement?
Now, my lord, yes,
Whether
my
it
lord.
was basis of any records or it was simply an oral statement?
The deposed, my lord, only on the basis of knowledge. Sir.
The basis of knowledge.
Knowledge.
Is it possible? Because
And
he is after all government Gawara,
lordship.
whether he maintains any record. Because any such proof, whether you give a certificate, it has to be on the basis of contemporaneous record.
That is true, my lord. They said, my lord, they knew his father and the,
Possible.
my lord,
But
because
knowing when? Prior to 1971 or after 1971?
they said that they knew the Abdul Hamid who was residing there, and Rafiqul Islam is the son of Abdul Hamid.
Now, when he became a government governor, which the DW deposed that?
My lord, DW lordship. DW2, my lord, it starts from page 59. My lord.
Page 59.
59.
Indeed,
I am the government Gaubra of Bamuni Pathar, and being government Gaubra, I have appeared before this tribunal for deposition. I have shown my identity card. Rafiqul Islam, son of late Abdul Hamid, is a resident of Bamuni Pathar, and he has been residing in Bamuni Pathar village since 15 years. And to that effect, I have issued a certificate being the Gaura. I have seen Rafiqul Islam in this court and I have identified him. The father of Rafiqul, namely late Abdul Hamid, was a resident of Kodamguri village, and the village is under Samaguri LSC. I know the father's name of Abdul Hamid is Abdul Hasim. The father of Rafiqul Islam, namely Abdul Hamid, and his grandfather, namely Abdul Hasim, are Indian citizens, and they have sufficient documents regarding their citizenship. There is a voter identity card in the name of Rafiqul Islam issued by the Election Commission. I have seen that, and the same has been exhibited as Exhibit 4. The certificate which I have issued has been exhibited as Exhibit 3, and Exhibit 3(1) is my signature and seal. Rafiqul Islam, his father, grandfather have their relevant documents regarding citizenship. Therefore, Rafiqul Islam is a citizen of India, and the case instituted against him is liable to be dismissed. Rafiqul Islam has three brothers, Among them, one is Nur Islam and other name is not remembered. My lord, prospered. I know the opposite party, Rafiqul Islam. His father's name is Abdul Hamid. I do not know grandfather's name. His father came to Bamni Pathar 22 years back. He died at Bamni Pathar 12 years back. Rafiqul Islam has two brothers. I forget his mother's name. Opposite party and his father casted their votes from Bamni Pathar. I issued a certificate to the effect that sorry, madam. The opposite party is a resident of Bamni Pathar. Exhibit 3 is the said certificate and Exhibit 3.1 is my signature. Now, my lord, the Gaubura of Kodamguri village, he deposed as DW3. That is page 63, madam. May I read, madam?
Just a minute.
My name is Ayub Ali, my lord. My father's name is so-and-so. I am so-and-so, village Kodamguri. Mauza is so-and-so, so-and-so. Last line, my lord. Where I am government Gaubura, Kodamguri. I have been working as a government Gaubura of Kodamguri village. I have come to this court as a witness. I have seen Rafiqul Islam in this court and identified him. The father's name of opposite party is Abdul Hamid and grandfather's name is Abdul Hatim. Opposite party's father Abdul Hamid and grandfather Abdul Hatim were resident of Kodamguri village. Previously, Kodamguri village was under Samaguri PS. Now it is under Rupohihat police station. The opposite party's grandfather Abdul Hatim has 7 sons and 1 daughter. They are Abdul Hamid, Abdul Hasim, Nobi, Abdul Rahman, Waheb Ali, late Ramizuddin, and Shahabuddin. And his daughter's name is Mallika Khatun. I know Abdul Hamid took birth at Kodamguri, and his father also born there. Abdul Hamid shifted his residence from Kodamguri to Moamari village about 20 years ago for better livelihood and stayed there for 1 year and thereafter shifted from Moamari to 4 number Hatigaon. Again shifted to Moamari along with his family members. Abdul Hamid has 4 sons and daughters. They are Rafiqul Islam, one of the present petitioner, Saiful Islam, Nur Islam, and daughter Hanufa Khatun. I know the Gaubura of Muammari village, namely Guljar Hussain, very well. The certificate which was issued by him is exhibited in this case as Exhibit 2. I know that the contents of the certificate are true. I know his signature. Exhibit 2.1 is the signature of Guljar Hussain Gaubura. The documents which have been submitted in this case are true to my knowledge and belief. The name of Abdul Hamid is enlisted in the voter list of 1965 of Kodamguri village. Exhibit 1 is the certified copy of said voter list. I know that Rafiqul Islam is presently residing at Bamuni Pathar. There is a photo identity card issued by the Election Commission of India in favor of Rafiqul Islam. Exhibit 4 is the photo identity card. I know that his father and grandfather had died. Abdul Hamid died 7-8 years ago at Bamni Pathar, but his janaza was conducted as Kodamguri village. During janaza, Rafiqul Islam was present there. I know that no foreigner case was initiated against any family members of Rafiqul Islam's father. Moreover, they have required documents. There are movable and immovable properties in Kodamguri village in the name of Rafiqul Islam's father. Presently, opposite party Rafiqul Islam has been permanently residing at Bamni Pathar village. Since the father of opposite party is a citizen of India having all relevant documents, and the opposite party Rafiqul Islam also Indian citizen, therefore the case instituted against Rafiqul Islam is liable to be dismissed. I have submitted identity card. I have nothing more to say. Now, my lord, I am fairly submitting. My lord, when the WS filed, my lord, it was filed very casually by the engaged advocate, my lord.
It's not
Here,
the fault
my
of the
lord.
advocate. It is not the fault of the advocate. Whatever information the proceeding has given to the concerned council, that has been, how the council will know?
Lordship, he is illiterate, my lord. The other, all relevance, my lord, in between 65, my lord, to 2005. There are other voter lists also, which, my lord, goes to said the Hamid Ali is the father of Rafiqul Islam, my lord. And there is land documents also. I have annexed, my lord, the Jawabandi copy where his father's name also mutated. And the other voter list, my lord, since from 1970, 1977, 1997, etc., my lord, all the certified copies which were not submitted before the tribunal at the time of consideration, my lord. However, my lord, 1965 and 2005, my lord, there are, my lord, linkage, my lord, established linkage,
Let us see the voter list of 1960.
lordship. 1965 voter list, lordship will find page 18, lordship, type copy, vernacular, my lord, page 19. It was exhibited as exhibit 1, my lord. I am referring, my lord, vernacular, page 19, lordship. Voter Taliga 1965 চন অসম বিধানসভাৰ সামগ্ৰী সমষ্টি প্ৰদেশ অসম জিলা নগাঁও থানা সামগ্ৰী মৌজা ৰংগাগড়া গাঁও কদমগুৰি খণ্ড নম্বৰ 74 Here one serial number 63, house number 19, Abdul Hamid, son of Hatim, my lord, age 68. Then my lord, mother's name, Mohammed Nessa, my lord. Now exhibit 2, lordship, 2005 voter list was exhibited, my lord. It was exhibited as exhibit 5, lord. Here, my
The
lord,
person who was 68 years in the year 1965.
that is there, my lord. There's some, my lord, age discrepancy is there, my lord. Age
Became
discrepancy.
only 39 years.
Lordship.
What happened to his wife?
My lord, she died, my lord, after that. My lord, I am
Nobody mentioned the name of mother of the proceeding.
in the evidence, lordship. Yes, my lord.
There is also nothing before the tribunal that the projected father of the proceeding married again. Why the name of the father? Why the proceedings, father and proceedings together in the voter list? Did not figure.
My lord, mother's name is Zahira Khatun, whose name, my lord, will find in voter list 1977, but it was not exhibited. Page 22.
So if it was not obligated, what to do?
That is the, my lord, the mistake on the part of the advocate, my lord. I am, my lord, illiterate person, my lord. Whatever materials I have submitted to him. He prepared WS, my lord, evidence. Now, may I pray, my lord, one chance may be given, my
What is
lord.
the
Will
question of chance? So you have to tell us
This-
what is the illegality in the order,
These,
first of all.
these documents are, my lord, very relevant, which were not exhibited, my lord.
The age of father, mother, proceeding in 77 is same as that of 1985, 1997, after 20 years. Is it possible?
Other,
Your document.
yes, my lord, other consistency is there, my lord. Other family members are there consistently appearing, my lord. Only the age discrepancy is there, my lord. If your lordship 1977 and 1985, my lord, Abdul Hamid Zahira Khatun, then 85 also, my lord, Abdul Hamid Zahira Khatun is there. And the village, my lord, Muammari, that is there, my lord. Only the discrepancy in the age, my lord. In 1997 also, Abdul Hamid Zahra Khatun and Rafiqul Islam, Khadija Khatun, Safiqul Islam, my lord, all are there. All are there, my lord, in the voter list of 1977 also. They are from Muammari village. So, my lord, other consistencies are there, only the age discrepancies, my lord. They are illiterate persons, my lord. In the voter list of 2005, my lord, all the family members' name, my lord, father's name, mother's name are there, along with the petitioner's name. But the age, my lord, that is there also. And regarding shifting, my lord, I have stated in WS, and to that effect, my lord, the government Gaubura, DW2 and P, both, my lord, they have stated how we have shifted and where they have stayed for how many years, my lord, that is there. Now, my lord, this person, he is suffering from various illness, my lord. I have received some documents after filing of the WS. My lord may also consider, my lord, considering his health condition, my lord may grant him extreme protection. And my lord may call for the records. Written document. Yes.
Yes,
My lord, he is a cardiac patient, my lord.
doesn't matter, that's a different issue altogether. Come to page number 62.
Lordship.
This is a deposition of DW2.
63, my lord,
Come to
BW
page number 61,
60.
deposition of DW2, who is the Gaunbura of Bamuni Potter,
Lordship.
right?
My lord.
Come to page number 62.
Lordship.
Now, in cross, kindly read very
My
slowly.
lord. মই প্ৰতিপক্ষ ৰফিকুল ইছলামক চিনি পাওঁ। তেওঁৰ দেউতাকৰ নাম আব্দুল হামিদ। ককা দেউতাকৰ নাম মই নাজানো। তেওঁৰ দেউতাক বামুণী পথাৰলৈ অহা 20-22 বছৰ মান হ'ল।
Hold on, hold on.
My lord.
Now come back to page number 61.
Lordship.
When the deposition was made, December 2015, at the top you will get it. The top third line.
19 December 2015.
Now please come back to page number 62 again.
62, my lord.
So the father of the proceeding came to Bamuni Potter about 20 to 22 years back.
My lord.
So minus 20 from 2015. Which year? Just simply minus 20 from 2015.
1995.
1990. Yes, then the next read. He
Yes,
expired at Bamuni Potter, right?
Lordship.
Then,
মৃত্যু হোৱা 10-12 বছৰ মান হ'ল।
so when did he die? Which year? 2015 minus 10,
2005.
2005. Then read the third sentence.
ৰফিকুলৰ my lord, ককা দেউতাৰ নাম তেওঁৰ মৃত্যু বামুণী পথাৰত হৈছিল।
Then,
মৃত্যু হোৱা 10-12 বছৰ মান হ'ল।
then,
ৰফিকুলৰ ভাই ককাই দুজন মাকৰ নামটো পাহৰিছিল। প্ৰতিপক্ষ আৰু তেওঁৰ দেউতাকে বামুণী পথাৰৰ পৰা ভোট দিছিল। মই প্ৰতিপক্ষ বামুণী পথাৰৰ বাসিন্দা বুলি
Hmm.
এখন প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিছিলো।
Fine. So as per this witness, father of the proceeding came to the village either in the year 1995
Lord,
or maybe in the year 1993. Correct?
my lord.
Then come to page number 26.
26, my lord. The voter list of 1997.
Voter list of
1997. That is from village Moamari.
that is from village Moamari,
Moamari.
right? Fine. Then expired in the year 2005.
My lord, actually he expired 2012.
Then come to page number 33.
This is Bamuni Patha,
Which year?
2015, my lord.
Now, please come to page number 63,
Lordship.
or you can come to the vernacular, it is better. Because it's not legible properly, but even then you will be able to read. This is at page 66.
মই কদমগুৰি গাঁৱৰ চৰকাৰী গাঁওবুঢ়া
Now that
হিচাপে
you don't have to read it, we'll bring it to you.
কদমগুৰি গাঁৱৰ বাসিন্দা আছিল। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃ আব্দুল হামিদ।
Now, please come. First, come back to page number 62 again,
Lordship.
in cross portion. Rafikulor Bhai Kokai, how many?
দুজন।
Now, please come to page number 66, then turn to 67.
Yes, my lord. আব্দুল হামিদৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী 4জন, ল'ৰা ক্ৰমে ৰফিকুল ইছলাম, সাইফুল ইছলাম আৰু নুৰ ইছলাম। ছোৱালীৰ নাম হনুফা খাতুন।
So
There is discrepancy.
here is this difference. Now, again come to '67, third line or second line.
আব্দুল হামিদৰ জীৱিকাৰ কাৰণে কদমগুৰিৰ পৰা ওচৰৰ মোৱামাৰী গাঁৱলৈ আজিৰ পৰা আনুমানিক 20 বছৰ আগতে গৈছিল।
So
তাত 1 বছৰ কাল আছিল।
2016 minus 20, 1996.
1996.
But the other witness said came to Bamunigaon, India, 1995.
1995.
Okay. Then read the next line.
আব্দুল হামিদ জীবিকাৰ কাৰণে
Continue.
thereafter মানে
20
তাত
বছৰ হৈছিল আৰু-
1 বছৰ কাল আছিল।
Hmm.
মোৱামাৰীৰ পৰা 4 নং হাতীগাঁওলৈ যায়।
So
তেওঁ পৰিয়ালসহ মোৱামাৰীলৈ যায়। My lord, from Hatigao to he again shifted to Moamari.
hmm. But he was all along at Bamunigaon till his death.
From Moamari he again shifted, my lord, to Bamuni Patha. My lord,
When?
later part, my lord, in page 67.
Hmm.
My lord, lordship in the middle portion, lordship Abdul Hamidor নাম সঞ্চ তালিকাত কদমগুৰিত প্ৰদৰ্শন চলিছে। মই জনা ৰফিকুল ইছলাম বৰ্তমান বামুণী পথাৰ গাঁৱত বসবাস কৰি আছে। ৰফিকুল ইছলামৰ নাম ৰফিকুল ইছলাম। Then last part, man,
When did he shifted to Bamunigaon? He doesn't know. He knows only up to the shifting up to Sari number Hatigao and then return to Moamari. But when they actually shifted to Baunigaon,
Actually, my lord, this question,
That's what
perhaps,
we
my
are
lord,
asking. It
the
is your
question
case.
was not put to him, my lord.
Question, it is your evidence.
DW3,
Then please come.
my lord, this person was not crossed, actually.
Question of cost is not required. You have read the judgment of the apex court. What is to be done in the foreigners law? Now DW5,
Page 72.
read page 75.
প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ দেউতাকহঁত আগতে কদমগুৰিৰ বাসিন্দা আছিল। পিছত তেওঁলোক আমাৰ গাঁৱলৈ অহা 25 বছৰমান হ'ল।
Okay, when did he shown that affidavit or when he deposed?
My lord, August 22.
So minus 25.
1997.
Which one is correct?
My lord, that is around 95, 96,
Which
97.
one
my
is
lord.
correct? Where was they basically? Were at Bamunigaon at the same time or at the same time at Moamari? Anyway, kindly proceed.
পিছত তেওঁলোক আমাৰ গাঁৱলৈ অহা 25 বছৰ তেওঁৰ দেউতাকৰ লগত প্ৰতিপক্ষ আৰু তেওঁৰ ভাই ককাই আহিছিল। তেওঁৰ দেউতাকৰ নাম মৃত আব্দুল হামিদ, মাকৰ নাম খুদেজা খাতুন। ককা দেউতাকৰ নাম স্বৰ্গীয় আব্দুল হাতিম। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ দেউতাক আব্দুল হামিদৰ নাম 1965 চনৰ কদমগুৰি গাঁৱৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত উল্লেখ আছে। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ দেউতাকৰ নাম মোৱামাৰী গাঁৱৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত নাছিল। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ দেউতাকৰ 7জন ভাই ককাই আছিল আৰু ভনী এজনী আছিল। তেওঁৰ ককাই ভাইসকলক মই চিনি পাইছিলো। Perhaps, my lord.
Then proceed.
এজনৰ নাম আছিল স্বৰ্গীয় নবী হুছেইন আৰু ৱাহাব আলী। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ ককা দেউতাকৰ কদমগুৰি গাঁৱত মেদী পাটাৰ মাটি আছিল। মোৱামাৰীত তেওঁৰ তৌজি পাটাৰ মাটি কিনিছিল।
Now read. Now read the next line.
প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ ৰফিকুলৰ ভাই ককাই 3জন। তেওঁলোকৰ ভিতৰত কেৱল ৰফিকুলৰ নাম জানো। বাই ভনী 2জনী।
So initially it was 2, then it became 4, now it has become 6 or 5.
Earlier, my lord, he said 1 sister, now 2 sisters. প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ আৰু তেওঁৰ দেউতাক আব্দুল হামিদ আৰু পৰিয়ালৰ সকলো মোৱামাৰী গাঁৱৰ 1997-98 বামুণী পথাৰ গাঁৱলৈ গৈ বসবাস কৰিবলৈ লয়। বৰ্তমানে তেওঁলোক বামুণী পথাৰ গাঁৱতে থাকে। প্ৰতিপক্ষই স্কুলত পঢ়া নাছিল। প্ৰতিপক্ষই বৰ্তমানে বামুণী পথাৰৰ পৰা ভোট দি আছে। প্ৰতিপক্ষক মই তেওঁৰ পৰিচয় আৰু ঠিকনা সম্পৰ্কে এখন প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ প্ৰদান কৰিছিলো।
So what is required to be proved before the tribunal? There has to be an evidence of a false nature with these kind of discrepancies, or it has to be reliable, admissible. What
That's why, my lord, I am praying, my lord.
which things first
my lord,
was this order is illegal. That will come later when you have something there which you could not prove it. That is a review we have to file before the appropriate tribunal. Now tell us, Mr. Counsel, from here, what is the illegality in this order? We have been telling you, we are sitting here for certiorari, not for an appeal, right?
Lord,
First, you have to show the illegality in the order to consider your case. So was the illegality at the order of the tribunal. The tribunal did not accept your evidence. Page number 81, para 16.
Married.
Kindly.
That for the argument's sake, if the proceedings father or grandfather came to Assam, India, before the cut-off date so is considered as authentic and genuine, still we could not rely them in instant case because the proceeding failed to prove himself to be the grandson and son of his claimed and projected grandfather and father with valid and admissible and authentic linkage documents. Here, my lord, two voter list, my lord, 1965 and 2005, lordship.
Para 18,
It may be further mentioned that on careful perusal of entire case records, it is seen that the proceeding had not filed a single exhibited document which is reliable, believable, and admissible under the law of substantiate the citizenship status of the proceeding. Moreover, the proceeding also failed to prove her linkage with his father and grandfather with admissible and authentic documents. My lord, here the proceeding has filed, my lord, the certified copies of voter list, my lord.
see, that has to be proved.
Those are, my lord, public documents, my lord.
And how to prove public document?
My lord, certified copies, my lord. Public document, my
the law
lord,
in this
where
regard?
authenticity report is required, was required, my lord. That was perhaps not done, my lord. So, my lord,
So, Mr. Counsel,
Some-
tell us with these discrepancies, whether the petitioner or the proceeding could prove his link with his father and grandfather.
my lord, my submission, my prayer is that, my
First of
lord,
all, tell us where is the power of the Gaambura to issue certificate? Under which provisions of law the Gaambura can issue certificate?
that, my lord, another date may be fixed, my lord.
Another date will not come. It is
My
your
lord, I'll
case.
have to check, my lord.
What is the law in this regard?
I'll have to check, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord, today.
We have wasted more than about an hour. Now we will not consider that. If you're not prepared at the very first instance, you should have said that we are not prepared. Give us time.
Sorry, my lord, another date.
This is not-
Tomorrow, my lord,
No, Mr.
tomorrow.
Counsel. That is the reason we ask you. Mere filing will not be enough. You are from the bar, you have to be fully prepared. Tomorrow,
Lord,
Mr. Sharma will have it tomorrow. As the first time.
okay, my-
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, this is a contested case. Otherwise, for your lordship, the cross-examination part of DW is your lordship.
Mm.
It's not been next here with your lordship. We have applied for the same, your lordship. It was not given. We again applied for the certified copies of the cross-examination part of all the DWs, your lordship. So, your lordship, kindly give me 1 week time so that I can annex all those cross-examination part also, your lordship, by way of additional affidavit, your lordship.
Accuracy. Yes, ma'am, paragraph 14. Page number 23. Your written statement.
Lordship. The positive begs to state that the name of the father of the procedure reflected as Intaz Ali on the school's transfer certificate, and where the date of birth is reflected on 1/1/1968, and which was sealed and signed by the principal of school MP Koregori, PS Upoihat, PO Pub Salpara, Moja Laukwa. Lordship.
Right. Come to page number 67. That is the certificate, right?
Lordship. Transfer certificate. Lordship.
Now. So date of birth is 1st January 1968.
Lordship.
Please come to page number 40.
Lordship.
Can you read vernacular?
40. Lordship.
You can read vernacular?
Lordship.
Good. Come number, page number 40.
Lordship, it's a voter list of 1985, Lordship.
Good.
Now, close Lordship, the further name has been reflected as Intaju Ali, Your Lordship. And the grandfather name has been reflected as Isor, Your Lordship. So the mother name has been reflected as Rabia Khatun, Your Lordship. The name of the petitioner has been reflected at serial number 13, Your Lordship, as Abdullah, Your Lordship.
So that is the procedure.
Lordship, this is a procedure, Your Lordship.
Fine. What is the age?
Yes, it has been reflected as 24, Your Lordship.
So in the year 1985, it is 24. What is
24.
the birth year of the procedure?
Birth year, 68, Your Lordship.
You have already stated in your evidence, in your written statement that your date of birth is 1/1/1968, and you have also proved that transfer certificate, right?
Lordship.
By giving the evidence of the headmistress of the school.
Lordship.
Now, what is the age specified in the voter list of 1985?
85, it was reflected as 24, Your Lordship.
Now, if it is 24 in the 1985, what is the birth year of that particular person at serial number 13?
Sixty-one.
So what?
61, Your Lordship.
61. Is it
61, Your
possible?
Lordship.
Because you were born in 1/1/1968.
Lordship.
Leaving aside that,
Lordship.
assuming your age is, your date of birth is 1st of January 1968.
Lordship.
So on the basis of your school certificate or your birth, when you would have been eligible to vote, which year?
Yeah, Your Lordship, as per instruction, Your Lordship, my name has been reflected since the year of 1985, Your Lordship.
That is the reason I'm asking you, madam. Considering your age as
Lordship,
1968, which year you would have been eligible to vote?
The attaining of 21 years, Your Lordship.
So which year you would have
Your
been
Lordship,
eligible?
78. 99, Your Lordship.
You would have been eligible to vote in the year 1989.
Your Lordship.
68 plus
Lordship,
21.
yes, yes. 89, Your Lordship.
I would have casted vote as in 1985 as 24
Your
years.
Lordship. Discrimination, age discrepancies are
Discrepancy.
there, Your Lordship.
So that
It was
is the
there,
reason we're
Lordship.
asking you.
Lordship.
After 1985, is there any other voter list showing your name with your parents?
Lordship.
Is there any voter list?
Lordship. It was not here, Your Lordship, as per the report.
Why your name did not figure in any voter list after 1985?
Because I become the voter, doubtful voter, your lordship.
Which
For
year
that-
you became the voter?
After that, your lordship, notice has been issued from the concerned tribunal, your lordship. I appeared, your lordship, to prove my
Which year you became the voter?
it was not in the written statement, your lordship.
Hmm.
So, as per the instruction, it was probably from 1997, your lordship.
That is the reason we're asking you in which year after 1985, where is the voter list that name, your name figured along with your parents?
Your lordship.
Okay, in the year 1997, because of extensive
Lordship.
revision, you became a devoter. Fine. Prior to 1997,
Prior to 1997, 85 is there, your lordship. No more other voter list is not there, your lordship. Where my name has been reflected, your lordship.
yes, Mr. Sharma, kindly tell us.
Another aspect is there also lordship, since 1970 to 1985, there is no just voter list lordship. So lordship, here continuity is not there lordship. And lordship has already pointed out age discrepancy lordship in every and lordship on the ground of name discrepancy lordship. Tribunal opined that lordship is a foreigner of post 71 stream. And and
Otherwise, your lordship, if your lordship kindly come to page number 90, your lordship.
Hmm.
Paragraph number 16, your lordship.
Hmm.
The foreigners tribunal found, your lordship, on the ground of that minor discrepancies in the name of the projected father
Hmm.
and grandfather of the proceedee, your lordship. On the basis of that grounds, your lordship, the petitioner has been declared as foreigner, your lordship. Otherwise, your lordship, the case of Muslim Mandal passed by this honorable court, your lordship, that discrepancies are need to be ignored. There is a direction, your lordship, to
Please come to page number 67.
Lordship.
Street area.
it's a 7, your lordship.
What is there at the top?
LMLM.
It was transfer certificate, your lordship.
Whether it is acceptable in evidence.
No.
Unless is there.
Yeah.
Unless is there.
Whether it is acceptable in evidence,
But sale deed was also approved, your lordship.
right?
Lordship. The voter list also has been authenticated by the concerned election commissioner, your lordship.
Did you prove it from any person from the election commissioner?
Yes, lordship. The
Okay.
tribunal itself authenticated the same, your lordship.
How? What is the, when you produce your voter ID card, how it is to be proved? How it is to be proved? What is the law in that regard? Have you seen the case before the apex court? Only last week. An order was passed day before yesterday.
My apology, Your Lordship. I have not gone through, Your Lordship.
The matter has cropped up from West Bengal.
Lordship. I have not gone through, Lordship.
Issuance of electoral photo identity card in excess. Probably judgment will come in near future.
So Lordship, may give me some time, Your Lordship, so that I can prepare on that judgment, Your
What are the
Lordship.
reasons? Why that is the reason? The law is very specific how to prove a voter ID card. You may have a voter ID card, but how it is to be proved before the tribunal or any judicial authority or quasi-judicial authority when it is adduced as a piece of evidence. How it is to be proved. There are numbers of judgments.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, tell us.
Lordship. Lordship. As per law,
But MS G Bora Council appearing for the petition. Who is appearing for the central government? Central government, you are appearing?
no,
That is what we are asking. No represented on behalf of Indian respondent. Or Mr. Eighth Kuli, Landed Council on behalf of Mr. AI Standing Council is here for the respondent two. Mr. G Sharma, Standing Council, Women Political Department, as well as Standing Council, NRC Assam. NRC Assam is not a party, I think.
yes,
Standing Council, Women Political Department. For the respondent number 3
and 7.
and 7. Mr. Kuli will also appear for number 4, or Mr. Sharma will appear.
Chief election officer. Chief election officer.
Chief election officer is normally Chief election officer Assam. Mr. Kuli, you have to appear. You will have.
Chief
Two
election
and four.
officer. I think Lordship Sharma will appear, Lordship. Chief election officer Assam.
No, chief election officer will come under the directly election commissioner.
Oh,
3 and 4, ERO will come under the deputy commissioner.
yes.
And Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior governor Assam, for the numbers 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Agree with the opinion, impugn opinion dated 18/12/2024 passed by. And at furnace tribunal put in the about in FT case number 83/2021. By which the petitioner has been declared to be a foreigner. The Reform Act 1946. Were illegally entered into territory of Assam, India, into Assam, on or after 25/03/1971. Comma. He has filed this petition on 01/10, sorry, 01/03/2022. Call for the records of case number 83/3021 from the office of the Furnace Tribe. Placed on 22nd of April. The motion color. This sort of discharge.
Your Honor, my senior legs in under the court, so matter may pass over for time next.
May I
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
your lordship, impugn order is at page 55, my lord. Contested matter, my lord. My lord, admittedly, there has been a delay, but I have explained it in page 15, my lord, para 23. It's not a recent judgment.
Please take your seat, Madam Ji.
My lord.
Okay, Ms. SSGL and counsel appearing for the petition. You will be appearing for the election commission.
Yes, Your Lordship. P. Barwan.
No representation on behalf of the. Lord, Mr. Jesus, Mr. Nicholas. The West Indian Council in the CSR. Six. These are Standing Council, sorry, between sitting on some. And I'm the people of Standing Council, ECI, for the rest of the. Everybody in opinion dated 26/11/2021. Passed by land Furnace Tribunal, third, Nagaon, Assam. In FP case number, NFP within bracket number, bracket close within bracket E. Bracket puts 328 of 2015. Whereby the petitioner, whereby C has been declared to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who were illegally entered. Treaty of India, Assam, honor of 25/03/1971. The petition has filed this on 05/03/2025. After about 3.5 years, 8, 9. Oh. Call for the records on that. Right. List on 22nd April for motion. What will be the notice of the registration?
Published.
Yes, Mr. Ali.
May it please the Lord. Not the opinion, may not page 100, my lord.
Please take your seat, Mr. Ali.
Okay, thank you. Last the case negative for the point which is parameter.
Mr. Sharma, Mr. Pang, you are you representing NRC?
Yes, sir.
You are representing,
Both.
come to page 114. Read page, paragraph
41, my lord.
40. For yourself, you can read it.
Print by office, it is, Yes, ma'am.
Pardon, Mr. Arali, counsel appearing for the petition. No representation on behalf of the Union of India, Rashtraman Company. Also heard Mr. Pang, standing counsel, Government Political Department, as well as standing counsel NRC Assam. The respondent numbers 2, 4, 6, and 7. Mr. Who is appearing for the issue? M. Ali. Yes, sir. M. Ali, right? M. Islam. M. Islam. Granted counsel on behalf of Mr. AI, standing counsel, ECI, for the respondent number 3. And Mr. P. Sharma. Sound for the respondent number 5. Mr. Hazarika repair or you repair? H. Hazarika, right? SK Hazarika. HK Hazarika. One moment, look at sound for the respondent. By order dated 16/10/2023, passed by learned member of Fairness Tribunal Badali. In application number 1860/2018. Declared in a reference being made by the Superior Police, voter, or better. Find the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreign Act 1946. Who had illegally entered into territory of India in Vacant Assam on or after 25/03/1971 without any valid document from the specified territory. Aggrieved to the said order dated 16/10/2023. The petitioner has filed this petition on 11/03/2025. Call for the records of application number 1860/2018. In the office of the Fairness Tribunal, Badali. List on 24th of April. This order we brought to the notice of the registered judicial.
Regarding interim, my lord.
The interim period of the petitioner shall be considered on the proposal of the records in order to be for next time. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? It is also contested case, your lordship. This 28 is the opinion.
Take your seat. Which is the link document?
It was the gift date,
Hmm?
54 year lordship, yes, 54,
Page 54.
yes.
Hmm.
55 year lordship is the vernacular one. It was gifted, it was executed in favor of one institution, your lordship, by the father and the paternal uncle of the petitioner.
To whom?
In favor of one Kaura MA school, your lordship.
Hmm.
Land was donated
Hmm.
by the father of the petitioner as well as the paternal uncle of the petitioner
Which year?
in 1984.
So, is it sufficient?
Prior to that, your lordship, in 1966, the name of the paternal grandfather as well as the
Where is the link document between you and your father or grandfather? Where is that link document? First
link
of all, you have
yes,
to
yes,
prove-
yes, yes.
Where is that proof?
Marriage certificate was, your lordship, there was the marriage certificate and it was
Which
the
one?
link.
Which one? Where is
Yes, 37 year lordship.
that? Page 37. Yes, who proved this?
Herein the father and the petitioner, the relation between the father and the,
Who proved this?
it was proved by the exhibit, DW. Five year lordship,
Hmm?
DW 5 year lordship.
DW5. Let us see what is his name?
His name is Akhtar Hussain Mullah, page 76 year lordship.
Page 76. Please read page 75.
75 is the DW 4 year lordship.
Okay.
Mustafa Hussain, and he was the secretary of the Panchayat.
Kindly read.
Today, I have appeared and adduced my evidence in connection with a link certificate issued by my earlier secretary. I have not found any register book and counter folio relating to the certificate. I have found only a application filed by the Pomorali and one of the unit member of the Dabakura unit verified the same which I brought before this honorable tribunal. Exhibit J1 is the signature of earlier secretary which I know. Close decline.
Hmm. You have read page 72, right? Kindly read page 72.
Page 72 is the sub-register, Your Lordship.
Please read.
Today I appeared and adduced evidence on behalf of sub-register Gwalpara, who authorized me to adduce evidence in connection with gift deed issued from sub-register office Gwalpara. A gift deed was executed by Ajibur Rahman and Motiur Rahman, both are son of Nasiruddin Dewani of village Katuri, PS and sub-register Lokipur district Gwalpara in favor of Kaura Emi Madrasa School. The said deed was executed on 26/12/1984, white register number so and so, and the land measuring 5 biga white Khatiar number so and so, dag number so and so, so and so, so and so, situated at village Katuri, PS Lokipur. Exhibit G1 is the signature of earlier sub-register Gwalpara, which I know. Today I have brought volume book from our office, cross decline.
Now, please come to page 55. You can read vernacular.
Yes. Yes. বরাবর সম্পাদক কাউরা এমি মাদ্রাসা স্থান কাউরা থানা ও সাব রেজিস্ট্রার অফিস লক্ষ্মীপুর জেলা গোয়ালপাড়া লিখিত মোহাম্মদ আজিবুর রহমান মোহাম্মদ মতিউর রহমান উভয়ের পিতা মোহাম্মদ নাসিরউদ্দিন দেওয়ানি জাতি মুসলিম
পেশা কৃষক
পেশা
কৃষকার্য
কৃষক
কৃষকার্য
কৃষিকার্য হাং কাঠুরি থানা ও সাব
village Hang
হাং কাঠুরি
Katuri. So this
হাং
Azibur Rahman is from village Katuri.
কাঠুরি
Now come to page number 77. This Azibur Rahman is from which village?
Page 77, Your Lordship, this is the deposition of DW5. Kazi, Your Lordship.
Here is a Azibur Rahman is there, right?
Azibur Rahman is there.
And he is from which village?
Here in Dhobagura, Your Lordship.
Now please come to page 72.
So there was shifting, Your Lordship.
Where is that?
There was shifting in, kindly have a look my written statement, Your Lordship. Today, page 24, Your Lordship. Page 24, para 19 of the written statement. That the father of the respondent had shifted of village Dhobagura, P.O. Rasvita, PS Lokipur district, Gwalpara, Assam from village Katuri, PS Lokipur district, Gwalpara, Assam due to river erosion in the year of 1990. It means, Your Lordship, in 1966, 17, 1975, 70, 79, 85, in all the voter lists are from village Katuri, Your Lordship. And in the deed, Your Lordship, the village name is also the Katuri. And the marriage was solemnized in the year of 1997. And the father shifted in the year of 1990. So therefore, the village name in the marriage certificate appeared as Dovakura, Your Lordship, instead of Kathuri.
Where is your marriage certificate?
Page 37, Your Lordship. Marriage certificate, page 40, Your Lordship. Marriage certificate is page 40. And it is the second marriage of the petitioner. Your Lordship.
Please come to page 40.
Yes,
When the marriage was solemnized,
this is second marriage, Your Lordship,
on which year?
in 2011.
How old were you on that
Yes.
that time?
Herein written 18 years, Your Lordship,
So
but
what is your date of birth? Birth year?
date of birth is not there, Your Lordship.
What is your birth year? If you were 18 years in 2011,
In 1980, it will be, Your Lordship.
Huh?
But regarding 80 year,
2011, if you were 18 years,
yes,
what is your birth year?
it will be 1980, Your Lordship, because
Find out.
presently,
Minus
Presently,
minus-
she is 40, about, yes, I have calculated already.
Kindly calculate.
I
quickly
have already
what-
calculated, your lordship.
How much? 2011, 18 years.
In 2011, 18 years, but presently about 45 years, then it will be 1980, your lordship.
Kindly.
And regarding 18 years, your lordship, I think there was explanation, your lordship, that S was wrongly inserted, was wrongly recorded. Page 25, your lordship. Page 25, para 27. In the written statement regarding 18 years, your lordship. In 1997, for the first time, he got married with one Amjad Ali. And that marriage subsequently dissolved, and thereafter she entered again.
Who is your mother? Kamala Khatun.
Yes.
You have annexed the death certificate, your father.
Yes, yes.
Which page?
Yes, 53 year old.
Page 50. This is in 2016, right?
Yes.
This was in the year 2024. Right? Now, please come to page number 68.
Yes.
Who is he?
Elder brother of the petitioner.
Elder brother of the petitioner.
Yes.
Come to page number 24.
Yes.
Kindly read para 19.
That the father of the respondent had shifted of village Dhabagura P.O. Rasmita P.S. Lokipur from Golparka to, yes,
Right?
yes,
Your father expired at Dhurvagura.
2016.
Page 68. What is the address of your brother?
Yes, sir.
What is the village?
Address is given as Kathuri, Your Lordship. But regarding that, Your Lordship, Page 16, your lordship, kindly see. Page 16, para 30. Why why he has mentioned the address
Is 1
category?
6,
Yes,
1 6.
page 16, para 30.
Yes.
It is necessary to mention herein that the brother of the petitioner DW2, who is Komorali, is still residing at village Katuri,
Hmm.
PS Lakhipur district, Assam, Golpara, Assam. Although the father of the petitioner shifted at village Dhubakara for erosion of the river, but they have the landed properties at village Katuri,
Hmm.
and DW2 has been managing the said properties by way of cultivation. Because of the erosion of the land subsequently, there has appeared some new land wherein he is cultivating. It is necessary to mention herein that the village Paschim Katuri is a part of revenue village Katuri.
Hmm.
Katuri and Dhubakura, your lordship, these two villages are the adjacent villages, your lordship. Although the father shifted Dhubakura, but he remained there, your lordship. And accordingly, therein, your lordship, the address of the DW2 is used as.
Was it mentioned in your written statement?
No, that fact is not in the written statement, your lord.
AM1. Petition. No representation in of India. And Islam for entirely. ICI responsibility. They find standing council women political for the as well as standing council NRC Assam for response number 3, 4, 6. E. Sharma. Resolution 5. In Queen opinion. Is it 14062023? Honorary member foreigners tribunal number 6 Gwalpara. In FT case number FT within bracket 6 bracket close. That's 1159 oblique DLP oblique 22. No reference being made by the Superintendent of Police Board of Gwalpara. Appoint the petitioner. Be a foreigner under the Foreigner Act 1946. Who failed to prove her Indian citizenship. Agree the petitioner filed this petition on 11032025. Call for the record of that. This will notice returnable by 6 weeks. As such and such, it's no formal. Petitioner shall give the extra copy. Petitioner shall serve because the extra copy of this. Mr. Architect Chaudhary. Deputy Executive. Afternoon, within 2 days from today. Subject to the appearance of the petitioner before the Superintendent of Police Board of Gwalpara. Or before 27, 26th. Condition with that, if not already answered. Lieutenant, right. Subject to taking steps. Correct. Appear before the IO. Was Superintendent of Police Board of Gwalpara. No, okay.
But herein, lordship, respondent.
Number 5.
Respondent number 5, your lordship, I have. It should be district commissioner, your lordship. So I will make necessary correction, your lordship. I may be allowed to.
To file appropriate application.
Yes, yes.
May it please your lordship. The impugned order is at page 57, lordship, whereby petitioner has been declared as foreigner. Here, one important fact, lordship, the petitioner's father has been expired on 24/8/2024, and his death certificate being annexed to this petition by Annexure 67A, lordship. So my lord, till his death, no reference, no case has been filed against him, declaring him as foreign, lordship. I have annexed his death certificate by the annexure A at page 67A, lordship. His father's voter list has been enclosed, has been placed before the learned tribunal, lordship, which has not been considered, lordship. And accordingly has been decided foreigner, lordship. So may I pray, lordship, at this stage, notice may be issued and the accord may be called for.
Where is the written statement?
Page 35 to 38.
Where is the link document to prove between you and your father?
Number page. Page 64,
Page
Page-
64.
page 65. These are the document,
How you have proved this document?
lordship.
How you have proved this document?
Very closely.
How you have proved this document before the tribunal?
Lordship, basically, we have tried to contend that is post 66 and 66 voter list, starting from 66, all the voter list of fathers been submitted before the tribunal.
First of all, your link document is this Aadhaar card, right? How you have proved it?
Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card or the voter card? Even the,
No, I tried to say before the tribunal that
how you have proved?
Jaban Ali is my father and Jaban Ali has casted his vote in the year 1966.
First of all, you have to prove your link to his Jaban Ali, right? How you have proved it? That's what we want to know. Mayor saying we did not do, madam. You have to prove it. How we have proved that? Just produce the, your Aadhaar card, your voter card and your PAN card, that is sufficient. How we have proved?
এইটো নহয়
So. Unless you prove your link with your father, who was in Indian soil prior to 1971 and thereafter, then only you can be considered. How you have proved that?
আপনার কাগজটা দেখবেন
Please tomorrow, to be prepared tomorrow,
Friday লক্ষিত
not on Friday.
Huh?
Tomorrow,
লক্ষিত I have a Barpeta case tomorrow. So Friday
Friday.
লক্ষিত Friday.
let's declare the promotion. in Friday.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Due to misplace of file, Your Lordship, so one date may be. Yeah, done for the day, Your Lordship, one date may be given. We could not find out the file, Your Lordship, today. But
it was also adjourned on 14th of February.
yes, my Lord.
Why?
On that time, the English counsel, Mr. P. Roman was out of station, Your Lordship.
And today, why it needs to be
File is misplaced.
Hmm?
Could not-
tomorrow?
But next week, you know,
On the prayer of the after 3 weeks.
mass of blessing. Yes, it's a Lordship. Lordship order dated 10/10/2023, page 33, Lordship.
Tomorrow for admission. You'll come up for admission tomorrow.
Lordship, after a week.
3 week.
Yeah.
April. The prayer of the council for.
Obliged, Lordship.
Not listed. Okay, on Friday, 21st. Before the appropriate bench. Criminal appeal, we are not taking. It has to go for the appropriate bench, okay? Okay, Friday? Tomorrow? Okay. Okay. You have the case diary? Hey, microphone on করে দিব। You have? Yes, you want an adjournment, why? Friday.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of regular bill, lordship.
Next week.
Lordship. May I please, your lordship, lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, lordship. Lordship, the matter may be adjourned for the day, lordship.
16 also CD we have.
Friday.
Lordship, can it be 25th, lordship?
You are in interim.
No, no, lordship.
You are not in interim.
Lordship,
25 vote is full.
24, if possible.
Okay, try it on 24th. 26th.
26.
Not
Oblige,
on
lordship.
25th.
By his lordship. The petitioner was arrested on 2025, FIR in case number 13, lordship. This is second bail application, earlier was rejected by this court, lordship.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Parashar.
After that, CD 27, madam,
Lordship, Peter Fitzgerald.
Huh?
Peter Fitzgerald.
27.
No, March.
27. 27.
May I please, your lordship, lordship call for case diary. Kolkata CPS under Borbada district.
18 to everything.
When?
2nd of April, madam.
Okay.
Lordship.
Into,
2nd, 2/4.
My apologies, my lord. Here is the application, my lord. Now, can is the page number 11, my lord, that is FIR, my lord. Page number 11. Kindly for the case diary, my lord, in connection with the modern PSS number 9. 2025.
Moran arrested him. Maybe. Second, madam.
just a minute. placed tomorrow along with AB 5422025. Relative.
Well,
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this is POXO case, and the Lordship in this case, Lordship.